Are you tired of smeared windows, of smudges? Can't see through the windows properly, not letting the light in? Well, you need the cheapest thing in Poundland. Welcome to season 3 of Socks with Sandals micro van life adventure. Okay, so failed its MOT. Now some of you sad people have been looking at the DVLA website to monitor that. Name and shame here and here. So you know what it's failed on. So while I'm waiting for the spare parts and I'm parked up, might as well do some modifications, and a big one will be this big solar panel here, 35 watts, and it just fits in the back window. So this cellophane has lost all its transparency, as you can see. So take that out. Yeah, seems to fit on just nicely, which is nice. Check it all works before I pop the champagne cork on this one. Oh, what do you know? Excellent. Well, that was handy. Wiring up the 35 watt solar panel. There'll be another one coming for the other window soon. I haven't yet wired it up. Here are the leads that are going to go into the switchboard there. So there's the solar panel with the new gold cellophane. Loving the colours in here. And I've parked south facing, charged that up. And while I was sleeping, the footwell collapsed. Look at this, I put too much crap on it and it just caved in. I wonder if this guy's gonna collide with my car on the way out. He's got a very big... Oh, he did it! Wow, that's amazing. Doing anything at all today. I've just been lounging around here in the master bedroom. I stuffed down 2 bananas. and a tin of baked beans, but I'm having trouble getting the last, you see there, the last couple of baked beans out. You know, we kind of tilting it and, you know, reverse lick them out like a sloth. Oh, what now? That's the update. That's probably all you're getting today. Well, that's weird. Aeroplanes covered in LEDs flying like touching. Now in the phase of this nonsense where groups have been reduced from 30 to 6 except for sports and schools and workplaces, which means this virus now knows where you are and who you're with and can count how many people you're with as well.
666. It's dead simple.
Look at the new Peugeot Partner. You can hardly see on the roof, and it's like so long. It's like 2 meter space already in the back. Miles better vehicle than my thing. I'm wondering if the van is really tilting to the left, or whether my left buttock cheek is ever so slightly smaller than my right buttock cheek. Right, these toys have arrived to help cure the emissions problem. Right, pour this into 60 litres of diesel. Alright, got about 40 litres in the tank. I guess that's the air filter there, isn't it? Ah. Blimey, that hasn't been opened in a while. Careful not to drill the head. Oh, yeah, needs a clean. Clean it out with a bit of Mario Falcone. That's probably alright. Put the new one in. Reconnect the mass flow sensor. Start it up. Well, there's a thin blue smoke hanging in the air. and it's not drinking any oil, so that must still be cleaning out what's left of the exhaust, or is continuing to pump out unburned hydrocarbons, which will be annoying because that's what it failed the test on. Oh, can you see that? Wow, I just have to hope the fuel additive does its thing. So this is the piece I've been waiting for that will get it through its MOT once it's fitted. Left ball joint. That was all it was. And my friend is also a socks with sandals chap.